Adam Nelson. I'm the development lead at AppAssure Software. Today I'm going to show you how to protect your server with Replay App Image. Replay is a client-server backup solution that offloads compression, mountability checks, integrity checks, and recovery to a central server, thus reducing CPU usage on your primary servers. It's incredibly easy to use, as you will see in just a moment. This here is the Replay Server Admin Console. To add a machine, I simply click on Add Server and go through a few options. By default, we're going to protect all volumes on the machine and start protecting immediately. If this is an Exchange machine, by default, we're going to validate every mail store on the machine to verify that it is in fact mountable. As an option, we can also perform an integrity check, the equivalent of ESUtil/K, and if that passes, we can optionally truncate your Exchange transaction logs. You can set a retention policy to vary the level of granularity of your recovery points as time goes on. By default, we'll retain for a total of a month, but as you can see, you can modify those options here. Finally, you can set a backup window during which time Replay will not take snapshots on the machine in case you have another backup solution that you also want to run in parallel. We are capable of spanning recovery points across multiple repository volumes, although in this case we're only going to use the one. So I'll just accept all the defaults here and add the machine. So now we're going to take a base image of this machine, which will capture every allocated block on the disk. After that, we'll be taking incremental snapshots every 15 minutes containing only the blocks that have changed. We'll be compressing this on disk, which will result in roughly a 50 to 60% compression level, which means that you can keep more recovery points on less disk space. By default, our block level deduplication feature is turned off, although you can enable that feature and at a slight CPU penalty get significantly better compression, up to 75%. So as you can see, this is going to run for about 15 minutes, after which time you'll have an application-consistent point-in-time snapshot of this machine as it was at the time the snap was taken. And every 15 minutes after, you'll get another one. And it's pretty much that easy.